Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy index funds using Etrade. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to invest in index funds through this popular brokerage platform. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your investment strategy, this guide will help you get started. First, if you do not have an Etrade account yet, you will need to create one. Visit the Etrade website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and financial details. Once you complete the application, you will need to verify your identity, which may involve providing a form of identification and your social security number. After verification, you will be able to log into your new account. Now that you have your account set up, log into Etrade and navigate to the Trading tab. From there, select Mutual Funds, and then use the search bar to find the index funds you are interested in. You can filter your search by category or performance to identify funds that align with your investment goals. Once you have found a suitable index fund, click on it to view more information, including its performance history, fees, and minimum investment requirements. Finally, to purchase the chosen index fund, click on the Trade button next to the fund's listing. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm your purchase. Once completed, you can monitor the performance of your investment through your Etrade account. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards investing in index funds.